Okay, so I followed what B.Art suggested, which was the frame skip. I rebuilt the Pi binary for the Pi5, and so I just changed, the only thing I changed was the frame skip equals 9. So I've just loaded all the stuff in. So now if we type play, this is pretty good. It seems to be running pretty good. So thank you, B.Art. I'm really impressed with what you said. I'm gonna look it up. Let me just stop this. Anyway, B.Art, thank you for your help. That was amazing. So it's a combination at this point of the CMI. Well, actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this and start it again with just the pure MAME. See if the frame skip's enough on its own. Yeah, so this was the original thing. This frame skip was originally 0, and now I've got it on to 9. I'm not sure what this config's about. Maybe I need to change that as well. But this was the command I used a minute ago, was the CMI. Let's put it back to just MAME and see what the stock, because it hasn't got the optimization. So I'll just pause this and let it load up. Okay, let's do this together. P2 for page 2. I love this keyboard noise. Yep, I'll try and keep it in the shot. Okay, I'm beginning to wonder if the page skip, or the load skip rather, is enough to stop it trying to draw every graphic frame, and that's what's slow. I think that might be what B.Art was trying to tell me, and I was too stupid to understand it. I mean, that always loads quick, but I think this tube millionaire .in, I think this loads faster on this system now, or it loaded fast on the other system. It seems to be a bit quicker. I'm wondering if that's because it's not trying to keep all the frames accurate, and we're not seeing some of the frames, but who bloody cares, because we just want to boom, load the information rather than, you know, trying to emulate the machine directly. That does seem a bit quicker. Maybe I'm just making it up. I'll have to test it. So bear in mind that this, when I played it a moment ago, was just slow. So what I did was I changed that ini file as B.Art suggested. Now I'm going back, so let's do PR for page R, and this should be really slow if the frame skip is part of the solution. If most of the solution is the CMI optimization, then this should be slow. But let's have a look. Yes, it is. So it's a combination of the frame skip. That is quicker than it was. It's more like the laptop, but let's just stop that. So it's a combination of the frame skip and building the CMI binary. So that's what you need to do, is build it from this optimization. I mean, I'm not trying to doubt what B.Art said. I'm just trying to experiment. I'm a scientist, so experiment. That seems to work. I'm well stoked. I have a definite improvement. The little Pi5 is running this quite nicely at the minute. I'll play with MIDI during the week. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.